How to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover your deleted channel in Telegram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you do is open up your Telegram app and make sure that you're logged into your device and your account. So here what you can do is, so if you have deleted your channel, so what you can do is if you delete it like this, as you can see, you have 5 seconds to undo this. So if you press on this undo within 5 seconds, then your channel will automatically be recovered. Or if it is someone else's channel, you can just go ahead and search for that specific channel in the search bar and you can join it again. And if the owner of the channel accepts your request, you will be able to join back to the channel. But in case you deleted it permanently and you were not able to undo it within 5 seconds, your channel, then you first have to open up your settings. And once you're inside your settings, just scroll down a bit until you see the help section and just tap on ask a question and ask a volunteer. Now start chat with a volunteer support. So you can just choose what you want to know or type in your message and then just follow along what they say. They will help you recover your deleted channel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.